Guys, I'm about to show you something amazing that's found only underwater.
Say hello to the Underwater Museum. A museum that's like no other. Because this museum has sculptures, fish, and coral that are... And it's located in Grenada, the country that's known for its beautiful mountains, world-class beaches, and friendly people. But it was hit by Hurricane Ivan in 2004. That hurricane destroyed the local reef, which was home to many fish. So an artist named Jason deCaires Taylor and a marine biologist team decided to change that. His team created concrete sculptures to put them in the ocean. But these sculptures aren't ordinary ones. They were designed with special cement that won't harm the ocean and a unique texture for life to grow. Over time, it went from this to this. Corals started growing. The fish came back, and the people did too. Now there are over 65 sculptures in total, and each one is alive. This is art in a constant state of flux, changed by the oceans and colonized by the marine life.
But like most museums, art has a meaning, and this place is no different.
Unity, politics, diversity, religion, and some that are just plain fun, like the selfie lady, the biker, and the mermaid. All of this was the dream of an ordinary guy. Through art, he wanted to bring back life to the reef. And not only did he bring back the fish, he made it a place that you're gonna have to see for yourself.
Sometimes we need a little creativity to solve the biggest problems. If we could all do that, the world would be a better place.